murder scene, bitch. Okay. Straight bars on this bitch, man. Look. You knew that. How was my nigga YC up here, man? Okay. Look. Alright. Okay. Look. Here I come, and we just started from the bottom like Drake. Here I come, I didn't wait. I went to sleep all day. I don't give a fuck about these motherfuckers trying to cake. No ice cream, I'm in my own way. You niggas gotta get y'all own cake. I'm in my own shit. Finna be in that Infiniti, finna be in that Porsche. But until that shit, I'ma be hot shit, nigga, like a torch. And I don't give no fuck these bars, what I'm spitting, look at them and listen to them. Nigga, it's finna be tragic. 2017, nigga, got the shit on the Mavericks. Like I'm in Dallas, and no, I'm in Milwaukee. Wisconsin, we can't play this shit. Let's call it Wisconsin, and I don't play about this shit. And my niggas really about that bag, my niggas sell them zips. Yeah, ball shit. Whatever you want it, and whatever you want, my niggas got that shit really rolling. Milwaukee bus, but I'm a buck, and I just keep getting money, bitch. I just keep getting money. Ain't let YSC come on, cause he just get him some money. So when he done copping his pops, I'm just gonna let him get some of this beat, and he gonna go crazy like he ain't eating the mud. Nigga.
And it's still all good. I was down, but it's still all good. They don't understand, but they really should. Ain't no good in the hood, but a bad bitch and the rims got the hook up. And my kush that good, I be serving the whole damn hood. I get you right, I get you fucked up. Chuck up your lunch, fucking with us.
Fucking what up? My girl called me over, say she want a sack. She asked me what I'm talking about, I told her hold some thracks. She telling me she good, she want some good dick, I'll be right back. Gotta catch this money real quick, no petty cheese, it's them racks. Don't be blowing up my phone, you won't get no call back. Got the jersey like a player on these hoes, I fall back. Like a fadeaway, but no J's. But I just keep going like I'm in a club, and I tell these bitches away. They can't get no drink out of me. You can't get shit out of me. I'm walking out the club by myself. Fuck every hoe in this bitch. And I don't get no fuck cause I just had too much liquor in this bitch. Yeah, I had too much loud. I'm gone in the bitch. And I'm gone. You can't take me off my zone in this bitch. Got a couple shooters outside if you want some heavy shit. And you ain't ready for the jab. Yeah, I'm on my shit. And I just gotta keep going back, and like I never fell off. We gon' keep going like I never fell off. Yeah, hell off. Yeah, if it's some hell outside. Yeah, if it's some rain outside, we put that coat on. Like we just never had a coat. Like we ain't come from the ropes. Like we just start from the bottom like Drake, nigga, you's a hoe. Real talk, nigga. We gone. You know? You ain't got no money, leave us alone, man. We in our own lane, man. Chasing our dreams.